0. First two, hold. Number 67 gets the rebound. Shot. Last rebound, number 56. Number 56. Foul number 29. First personal foul, first team foul. Short ang unang tira. Red ball. Number 0. Grabbing violation.
Alin? Yung sa pula. 21 si Paner.
Number 2 dribbles. Setting the play. Pass to number 15. Back to number 2. 10-second shot clock. 5. Number 2 libre sa 3. Short. 0 gets the ball. Pass to number 21. To number 56. 12-second shot clock. Number 56 took an extra step. Rubbing. Number 2. Number 29. Number 29. Rebound number 56. Pass to number 11. Nice steal by number 69. 2 on 1. Number 69 is up 2 points. Number 69. Rebound by number 69. Reaching foul number 28. First personal foul, second team foul, red team. Number 2. 10-second shot clock. Back to number 2. 5-second shot clock. Number 15. Bang bang! Number 53 points. Number 28. Mr. Bryant. Bang bang! Number 11, 3 points. Number 15 again. Rebound number 21. Pass to number 28. Number 28. In and out to number 28. What a move by number 28. Score 7-5. 2-point lead. Beach team. Nice pass to number 29. There's the foul. Foul number 36. First two, 1 point. 2-on-2 by number 29. Number 20, almost a steal by Pahara. Almost a steal by Pahara.
Nice pass, Alewit! Lumabas ang tiragan! Wala pa rin yung ball na timeline.
Walang tawag na pass si number 69. 2 points. Number 11. Good ball. 56 minute bit. Wala. Number 2. 2-on-2. Number 2. Nice pass to Pahara. 2 points. Score 13. 5. Number 56. There's the foul. Foul on numbers. First through pasok.
Ano yung basket nyo, sir? Basket nyo. Pag dead ball lang. Pag dead ball.
Rebound number 67. That's not straight. Timeout. Red team. Back to the building. Two minutes and 31 seconds time left in the first quarter. Number 2. Number 2. Kick out pass. Number 69. Bang bang. Come on, Papa. Number 69. 3 points. Same ball.
30-second shot clock.
13 seconds shot clock. 2 minutes. Still better 69. Pass to the ball. Goal one pass back number 2. Diretso na. 2 points. Number 2. There's a foul on number 69. First personal 13 foul. Beach. 1 minute and 30. Rather in violation. Number 2. Lead nakatingin si number 67. Turnover. One minute, 14 second shot clock. Number 11. Lumabas ang tira. Same ball. Seconds. Rebound number 67. Pahara. Pahara. Short. Rebound Pahara. Put back. No good again. Rebound number 11. 25 seconds. Still by Pahara. Number 69. 2 points. 15 seconds. first final score 20 against 6. 40-point lead, Beach. Second quarter.
Isa lang, no? Isa lang. Isa lang, eh. Ano kami? Wala ako. Isa lang yung ring ko.
Ready?
Ready? Sige na.
Sabi ni Glo, 8 throw kayo eh. Siyam pala kayo eh.
Okay na. Number 30. Number 10 loses the ball. Pass break. Number 25 lays up. 2 points. Number 25. Number 0. Pass to number 36. Traveling violation. Number 4, good. Rebound number 13. Number 13, derecho, number 13, free throw, shot. Number 3, looking for his teammates. 14-second shot clock. Nice fake, grabs, steal by number 13. Number 13, lays up, 2 points. Same ball. Timeout. Beach.
Bakit? May dala kayo na sana? Juice?
Kapag doon sa park, nagtitinda yun, no?
Back to the building.
Binibigyan kami. Pagkain sa mga napakain kami doon. Dito bawal pagkain dito.
14-second shot clock, 14. Rebound number 0, pass to number 13. Number 13. Misses. Rebound number 25. Carrying the ball. Number 13, Lahat. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Fates. Nice defense. Number 4. Number 3, sorry. Pass to number 25. Nice pass to number 4. No good. Number 29, short. Rebound number 30, pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Beat ang bola. Wala. Rebound number 30. Number 30, shot. Basket counts. Foul number 25. Bonus rule number 20. Rebound number 25. Pass to number 67. To number 4. Number 25, 14 seconds shot clock. Number 67, jump shot. Rebound number 29, 2 points. Number 0. Number 20, number 20, heel tap. No good. Rebound number 25. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 67, waiting for his teammates. To number 25. Rebound. Number 13. Pass number 10, loses. Number 4. Number 4. Open shot. Rebound number 0 to number 13. To number 20, steal. Number 4, number 3. Basket counts. Foul on number 0. Bonus rule number 3. Three-point play completed. Score 27-10. Number 0 to number 30. Sa gitna, wala. Rebound number 3. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Setting the play. Pass to number 3. Jump step. Offensive foul on number 3. First personal foul. Second team foul. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Pull up for 3, short. Number 67 gets the ball. To number 4. To number 25, pass to number 67. Number 67, scoop shot. Short, rebound number 0 to number 20. Number 20, forward pass to number 29. Holding foul, number 13. Number 13, that's your first. Okay na sir, hindi kita sa camera. Number 67. To number 3, double spray. Number 3, going out fake. Emergency pass to number 29. 5 seconds, just now. 3 seconds violation. No basket. Hindi 3 points, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Number 15, Grimes. Rebound number 3. Foul number 20. 30 foul, red team. Rebound number 30. Pass number 0. To number 20, Ryan. 12-second shot clock. Nice defense, number 67. One minute and 30. Number 25, Bateman. 2 points. Underneath the basket by number 30.
Harapan nyo na, harapan nyo. Ayun na.
1 minute. Number 3 in a dribble. Pass number 67. 2 points. Score 32-12, 20-point lead. PhD. Number 30 again, number 30. No good. Rebound number 3, pass to number 4. 30 seconds. Number 29. Pass to number 4, Ben to shoot. In and out. Rebound number 13. 15 seconds. Number 13 on the way. 10 seconds. Number 4. Number 4 again. Umabot pa. 2 points by number 4. Score 34-12. Winston dribble. Third quarter.
Bola nyo.
Number 2. Nice steal. Number 13, advance ball. Number 13, legs up. Foul number 69. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots. Number 13. First through no good. Second through ready for rebound. One point. Number 2 dribbles. Pass to Pahara. Turnover. Number 56 to number 13 nagmamali. Nag-agaw ni Pahara muna. Pahara. Nice drop pass to number 69. Pabanggang pila. Pasok. Still ni Pahara. Left-handed layup. Kinaliwa yun ha. Another steal by Number 28, pass to number 56. Red shape on pressure defense. Steal by number 69. Counter steal number 28, pass to number 13. Same ball.